Hi, and welcome back. My name is CoReatha, and today we are going to, I'm going to have you check out these shutters that I'm in the process of making. We're going to see how far we get today. I moved into this new place, and I love the kitchen. It's very big. I'm in it right now, but I did not like the shutters that were in here. They were just so cheap looking, and I don't know, they didn't have any personality. But the shutters that I have designed and that I'm going to make are going to be in the same motif as this painting that I did. And the blue is going to match this chair that I have, this high chair. So I'll just show you really quickly. I had bought some reclaimed wood from a place in North Hollywood called Ross Allen. And they were kind enough to cut these, I guess these things must have been about, 15 feet long. And they came out of an old barn out of Nebraska. And I mean, there's still some dirt on here. There's still dirt on here from that old barn. And even the old nails are on there too. So we ended up cutting that down to 6 panels. Just about 32 inches each. So what I had to do is I scraped all that dirt. So as you can see, here's the back side, and this is the side that I have finished to make it the same color blue as that. So today we're going to put the flowers on here, and I just want to let you see how simple it is. It doesn't really take much, but what I did with each of these panels is I took my electric sander and I sanded all of the edges so that they're nice and smooth, because before they were really splintery and they could cause some damage to fingers and hands. But I like some of these old, this old weathered look, and so it had a few holes in it, and so that's going to be part of the beauty of it. It doesn't have to be perfect. And so what I did is, first of all, I put a whitewash over the wood, and then I sanded it a little bit more. You're going to hear all kinds of background noises today because I have my windows open. And then I took and I painted this with the same color blue that's here, but I had to mix the colors. I used several of my paints here and my brushes, and I didn't want to cover up all the white. I still wanted to keep that rustic look. But if you wanted to do yours with, painting it, covering it completely, that'd be fine too. So I bought some red paint from Ace Hardware, and we're going to open the paint, but I'm going to show you a little trick. Some of you probably already know this. Ooh, let me have a little bit of tea. Love my tea. Oh my goodness, that's delicious. So you're going to open up your paint can. This is red. And whenever you buy paint from these hardware stores and have them mix it for you, they always give you this lid lifter. But before you start painting, you want to just put some holes in your can to drain the paint. And you're going to use a regular Phillips screwdriver and a small hammer. You don't want something that's too big that's going to give you that's going to tear into the metal of the can. You just want to make a really simple, and you're going to take this and you're going to hit the back of your screwdriver. It doesn't take much. I'm going to put about 6 or 8 holes in here. And what this will do is, when we're using the paint, it will keep that paint from settling in the groove that the lid fits into. Because I sure don't like to make messes. We sure better hope. Certainly don't want any paint to spill on this lovely cart that I made. Yeah, I designed this cart here a couple of years ago, and came in handy. Came in handy to use here in my kitchen. Okay, so we've got that done. I don't really want to tip this. Maybe I could just show it to you this way. I don't know if you can, ooh, we don't want to spill it. There's some holes in there. And so when we're using our paints, that will drain the paint once we get going here. And see, I've already made somewhat of a mess. Not a big mess, just spilled a little something here. And red is not the easiest to come out. But this is water-based paint, and I always suggest you use water-based paint because it's easier to clean up. Okay. So, what we're going to do, now you see the shapes here are, they're round, different size rounds shapes. That's the head of the flower, the blossom. And then after that, first we're just going to go in here and we're going to put the red on here. And I'm going to do one. Then I'm going to go around and turn the camera off and we're going to do a little bit more because I don't want to waste your time with doing each one. Believe me, I'm doing this myself. Anyway, really appreciate you being here. So you don't want to use too much. So we're just going to start up here. We're going to make a small circle. Now, if you'd rather draw these on, you can. This is going to be a bigger circle. And then we'll put some highlights in here in a little bit. Smaller one. Teeny tiny one. It wasn't as teeny tiny as I'd like it to be. Another one here. There we go. That's teeny tiny. Make another one here. Heck, I might just paint all these kitchen cabinets this color in this pretty flower motif. I love flowers. Okay. Actually, I'll make another one here. It's okay if some of the blue shows through. Yeah, look at that. Looks like polka dots on a wooden panel right now. But these polka dots are going to become flowers. Just randomly put them on. We'll make this one look like it's coming off from the side. All right. Okay. Let me just pick this up and show it to you. And this is going to dry a little bit while we do the next two panels. So each shutter requires 3 panels. And then I bought some latches to go on also. Anyway, I'll be right back.